Alright guys, what's going on? So another episode of from Corolla Customs. This is just a quick vlog kind of thing. So we're doing the same 4.7 V8 Dodge Ram 1500. This is a 2006. So we're changing the purge solenoid, which is located, here's the battery, here's the engine. So the battery's here. You move down, the purge solenoid is located right there underneath. You pull it out, comes up. To change it, you press this tab, you pull out the tab, and then there is two other hoses, one right there and one under there. You take a small screwdriver, you pry the tab on the sides, and it comes right out. And then that's basically it. That's a quick tip on how to do it. Here's the old one. So, like I said, you press the tab, it pulls off. Around here, there's like a tab with the screwdriver you pull, like a little clip, a flathead screwdriver you use. Comes off that lip and it comes off this lip, and that's about it. Usually you'll get like an incorrect purge solenoid flow, purge flow or something. That's the code, P0441 or something like that, or yeah, P0441 I think it is. I'll just write it in the description, so make sure to read the description. Alright, thanks guys. Be up with new episodes soon. See ya.